Hello everyone, this week we will be making curried pork. So here we have about 8 pounds of a pork shoulder cut into small bite-sized pieces. It's seasoned with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 small onion finely chopped, 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 3 sprigs of thyme, half cup of finely chopped culantro, and if you can't find culantro, you can use cilantro as well. And last, this is optional, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper for that extra kick. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pot on a medium-high heat. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder. I use my personal blended mix. Stir in the curry to release that aroma. Cook for about a minute or so. Then add half a cup of water to that curry and continue stirring. Once all the liquid has been evaporated, you should have a thick paste. Go ahead and add the seasoned pork. Mix the curry with the pork. Make sure every piece gets coated. Now cover your pot and drop the heat to a medium and let this cook for about 5 minutes. After it's been cooking for 5 minutes, go ahead and give it another stir and go ahead and cover it and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now it's been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes and most of the natural juices have been evaporated. Go ahead and add enough hot water, barely covering the meat. Go ahead and give it a quick stir. At this point, go ahead and check for salt, add if needed. Bring your heat up to a medium-high heat and let it cook for another 15 minutes. After that, you would want to check for tenderness to your liking. I like mine soft. You would want to leave some liquid in it if you're going to be eating it with a side dish like rice. And this is what the final product looks like. Go ahead and turn that heat off and add some finely chopped culantro, if not some cilantro, to your dish. Give it a quick stir and enjoy.